Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, please join me because we are going to check out very beautiful bags at Louis Vuitton and many more luxury bags. Guys, also, this can be my last Louis Vuitton shopping episode. I'm going to reveal why at the end of this. So make sure you watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetar and Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so before we go, just to show you my OOTD for today. So as you can see, I am double bagging. I am carrying my Louis Vuitton Alma and my Petite Sac. This is a lifesaver guys. I'm going to share this soon, this chain here. I'm wearing all Maison Ramiro design. So the top, I have designed this, and also the pants. As you can see, I'm on theme with the Mugler collaboration, and I'm wearing YSL accessories. So I have the belt, I have the earrings, and of course, I am wearing my monster shoes. So let me show you what I could fit with these two bags of mine. Yay! So just to show you, here is my bag of the day. So again, I'm carrying my new baby Patience, my Louis Vuitton Alma custom order for the My LB World Tour, and I am carrying my Petite Sac. So why I'm carrying this one is because I already have a new chain here. So this is like a chain from the Felici Pochette, but I only got this from our Shopee here. I'm going to link it on the description box. This is a lifesaver. With this, now I could carry her as a double bagging situation. So firstly, for my Louis Vuitton Petite Sac, what I have here is my phone. So it's an iPhone 6s Plus. And then of course my slim power bank here, so that since this doesn't have any closing or opening, I feel that this would be a good phone holder, so I could put my phone, insert it inside and out. Then of course with the Louis Vuitton Alma, so let me just do this with one hand, I'm sorry. So there, so actually what I have here of course is my Chanel kit here. So with my Chanel kit, I'm not going to put it with my Chanel kit. This is where I put all my toiletries. So I have my oil control, tissue, wet tissue, lipstick, and all of that. And then of course I have my YSL card holder, very lifesaver because everything is in here. What else? So I have the receipt for my Louis Vuitton Alma because I'm going to have something replaced with this bag. And of course I have my Emmanuel Ungaro coin pouch. And that's it. So that's what I am carrying for today. Hi guys, so our first shop for today is let us go check out very beautiful bags at Louis Vuitton. Hope you enjoy! Hi guys, so we are already here at Greenbelt. So we are going to check out Louis Vuitton first. So let's see what they have. So let's check out window display. So still they have the Yayoi Kusama drop seal. So they have the bomb bag here. What's the ready to wear? Okay. Yayoi Kusama ready to wear. I love this. This is so cute. This is so cute. I love that. Ooh. Yayoi Kusama footwear. Then they have this jacket over here. So let us check out more window display from LV. So still we have the Yayoi Kusama collab while when we have visited the store. So this we have the different or the drop 2. So we have the Speedy 20 over here. So later we are going to see more of these bags, and I'm going to show also the prices. So guys, did anyone get any pieces from Yayoi Kusama, maybe SLG, accessory, or a bag? Please do comment down below. So when we have visited, I'm so happy because they have this installation. So we have this Capucines here for 452k. So this is the first time that I'm seeing this. It's like I'm inside the playground, and I was very happy during that time. So again, price of this special Capucines LV x Yayoi collaboration is 452k. Then we have the Capucines BB. This one is in the second drop, price is 490k. And then we have this one, I believe this is from the first drop, 490k as well. Just look at these very cute giant pumpkins. I have a question, guys. Do you think, or do you have any answer, like what do LV are doing after, for example, this event? What do they do with the display? It would be nice if they could give it to us, right, and display it on our homes. So we have here 452k, another Louis Vuitton Capucines. This is from the Infinity Dot Drop 1. What do you think? And then we have this very special, oh so beautiful side truck. I believe this is one of the runway collection or runway piece. And then we have the Nano Speedy for 136k. Then we have the Petite Mal. They still have the multi Pochette. Then of course my forever love, we have the Alma BB. The 151k is the Yayoi Kusama collab. And then we have the Speedy 25. Love that it comes with the pre-treated patina already. And then we have 218k for this OnTheGo MM. And then we have the Dauphine, price is 233k. So we have more of the very beautiful bags, 136k for the leather Nano Speedy, and then OMG 196k for the Speedy 20, the leather version. So we have very cute no way bags here. This one is 181k. Then guys, I'm trying on the side trunk. So price of this one is 211k. Then we have this micro Alma for 41,500. So let us check out what we could see inside the store. So of course, I'm always fascinated with the customization of Louis Vuitton luggages and trunks over here. And then we have some very beautiful Louis Vuitton sneakers. Then we have some ready-to-wear pieces. Then more eye candies. We have Louis Vuitton twist bag. Then we have this very beautiful and cute Kuzan bag. More ready-to-wear pieces for you. This is a very beautiful bomber jacket. Some leather boots. Then more ready-to-wear pieces. I love this colorway over here, very cooling to the eyes. I love this gray color. And then we have this very beautiful blazer from LV. I think this is a tweed blazer and a dress combo. Very beautiful pieces. Guys, among the Louis Vuitton perfumes, which ones are your favorite? For me, I still don't have one, but I'm still finding the right scent for me. So this is a very cute perfume case. I love that one. So here we have more eye candies for you. So this is from one of Virgil's last collection. Then of course, we have this Over the Moon bag for 166k. So guys, which one do you prefer here? Would it be the Clooney or the Alma PM? Then of course, we have the beautiful Pochette Métis in the bicolor and regular emprunt. And then how cute is this photo, mommy Speedy 20 and Speedy 25, and the Nano Speedy for 136k. So this one, I was also asking my CA how much is this one, and if I'm not mistaken, it's around 400 to 500k. What do you think of this one, guys? Then of course, I'm still having my last look for the Micro Alma Charm for 41.5. Hi guys, I have an announcement. So unfortunately, this may be the last time that I'll be able to do a shopping vlog at LV. So they kindly mentioned to me that unfortunately, I think they got someone sued them because a person was caught on video and was published online. So I'm not really sure if this is here because when I've watched Mel in Melbourne, she also did the same thing where she was advised by her CA. So apparently guys, I think I won't be able to do any more shopping vlogs, but hopefully you enjoyed our episode for today. Now let us check out other stores. So we have here Kenzo. Anyone a fan of Kenzo here, especially with their new creative director Nigo? Then of course Fendi. So guys, have you seen already our Fendi vlog? It was already posted. Please do check it out. Then of course Dior. So here we have this very beautiful Dior book tote. For me personally, I love these bags. They are so beautiful. Unfortunately, I am not a book tote kind of person. What do you think, guys? Let's check out the window display for Dior. So let's start first with this one. This is, I think, the Fall Winter 2023. If I can be mistaken, guys. So here we have ready-to-wear pieces. This skirt I could wear. Jacket, pull over. I'm not sure. So there are not much of to see, but look at this one, so cute. Then of course, I would also need to check the window display here at Bulgari. Every time I pass here, I would love to see what's in store, what new bags they have. So still they have of course the classic Serpentine bags. Hopefully guys, I could find one with the right price that I could add to my collection. We have here very beautiful shoes from Roger Vivier. Then let us check out eye candies from Jimmy Choo. So how cute are these bonbon bags? So they have one with tassels over here. They have in metallics, silver, gold, and this is my favorite. Cute in gold and silver, and look at the leather. It looks like either Napa or lambskin. Then of course they have crystals. Then of course checking the window display of Hermes over here. Unicorn sighting. Then we have Prada. Unfortunately, they don't allow me to film inside the store as well. Then we have Givenchy, of course. So we have here the Antigona East West. Hi guys, so hope you enjoyed our shopping episode for today. So guys, what did you think of our episode for today? So as mentioned earlier, the reason why this may be my last Louis Vuitton shopping vlog is because when I was there, I started filming one of the CAs. To be honest, I'm not really sure if he is a CA or part of the security. He pulled me to the side and kindly he said that unfortunately I should stop filming because they have a pending case right now where one of the Louis Vuitton client has complained that they were caught on film. Again guys, this is not on my vlog, so they just said that to me that I would not be able to take more videos, but I could do unlimited photos. Honestly, I'm a little bit sad with this news because I really love doing shopping vlogs with you inside LV. So I'm not really sure if I could do this in other stores. As mentioned before, I have also watched Mel in Melbourne, and she was also asked by her CA not to film inside. So this could be a worldwide thing. Maybe in the future they would not want anyone to be filming inside LV because they are trying to be as exclusive as possible, just like Hermes. This is just my opinion guys, my own opinion, but hopefully this would not be my last. I would try to check out the other LV store that we have here, and if I can, then definitely I would film and share more to you guys. Before we end our episode, if you have been on this part of our vlog, please do leave a bag emoji. I would super appreciate it. I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from a million. Thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!